Yeah, we know that lots of people actually collect collectibles when they are traveling, but not we. We don't buy anything anywhere. Just enjoy beautiful cities, and that's it. Memories in our minds.
And in YouTube, so we don't need any trinkets.
Yes, we can just show you the trinkets.
Yeah.
Place that we were in, it's the resting place of our dog Pulla. Yeah, he was with us for 60 years and lived the whole 8 years in a van and really liked it. Yeah, it's actually quite easy now to let go of Pulla because Pulla was so old and he had problems with his feet already, so now he's in a good place. There's always times when you actually think of your dog. For example, when you have eaten your morning porridge and nobody's licking your plate after all. Then you're like, oh. And Pulla was always napping underneath my feet in the morning time in the bed. Those little moments when you remember, but I'm not really as sad anymore. I think it was a good decision and we had a really great life with Pulla. Hiking in the mountains and just enjoying life with him. Yeah. So it's time to go forward.
And doing dishes without the dog sucks so much because we have to use a bunch of water to get the porridge out of the bowl, so it's horrible. But today is a lovely sunny day and we have shed a lot of tears. Hardest time is in the middle of the night when you wake up and notice that you don't have a dog with you anymore. But I think it helped that because we cried our eyes out and now it's so much, it feels better, it heals.
Now it's just 2 old crows continuing traveling. I think last time when we were in Nafplio, all the footage that we filmed was gone in disaster. So now you will see us in Nafplio. We have been here once. Really beautiful place. We have the van just beside the central of the town and just coming here for a walk and some gyros. That is our gyros. That is our plan. Yeah, it was nice tradition actually to visit this blessing of the sea or blessing of the water. The young people will actually dive in the water and trying to catch the cross that the priest throws in the water, and they have to be in the water for the whole ceremony. And it's cold water there, even for in our scale it's cold. And I think the priest said like 100 times jumalation. It's the Finnish people, we know what it means, but yeah, it was really long, as Orthodox Church ceremonies are always. So they were chanting. There was 3 priests chanting for I think 15 to 20 minutes before they threw the cross to the water, and then all the young men actually plunged there and trying to catch the cross. I think this year some older guy gets the cross. I don't know what it means. Maybe good luck for the man for the whole year, and good luck for the fisherman what goes to sea. Yeah, traditions, they are always keeping communities together. So even if it's religion and we don't believe in religions, we believe in communities. So these are nice places to contact and get like little grasp of the community here in Greece. I think 3 priests were actually talking there, and one was using not a mistletoe but a branch of olive tree to wish everyone good luck, and I got good luck also. So we have a good luck for the next year. I got the good luck. So, visited Nafplio, and they have a really nice fortress on the hill over there.
We visited the Palamidi castle last time we were here 7 years ago, so this time we did not enter it.
So we went there just to walk and go in the restaurant. And
little tavern that have great vegetable options also.
So it was nice.
Yeah.
And just waiting until it's evening, because there should be some kind of orchestra in the center of the town. So coming back there in a couple of hours.
Yeah.
We are staying with the van for the overnight here on this travel plot.
Yes, a lot of motorhomes and vans. But this is totally free parking, and it's beautiful because it's next to the Mediterranean Sea, and we can see the castle and everything, tingly lights, so
yes,
good place to be.
Yes, works great because this is like a 5-minute walk to the center of the town.
Exactly. So we will go to see the night side of Nafplio. We are big city persons now.
Imagine that. Surprise!
We are a bit embarrassed to show you this, but we are this cheap. Our own wine in this bottle, so we don't get tempted to go to the bars. This is very common sight in the huge parking lots of in South Europe. Even your thief alarm goes on and it yells and the lights are blinking, nobody bats an eye. Triple and double parking everywhere in Greece. Everybody wants to get their car in the best spot and walk like this much. And when you walk like 50 meters, boom, open space.
It's really strange to see actually palm trees here in Southern Europe and then see like a Christmas decoration. We always assume when there's a Christmas decoration that there's at least -25 and snow. This is the proof that we actually filmed these videos in 2024, not last year or Christmas. Yeah, nice walk in Nafplio during the evening time. Lots of people in here, and yeah, we have not used to this kind of rush hours, but loving it. Really beautiful. This is the town which is built by Italians or Venice people. It's like Italia. Looks like Italia. Yeah, Nafplio.
Okay, we came to just listen some live music, but it seems like there's just people selling lighty thingies and trinkets. Yeah. No live music here.
Yeah, there was no information about this day, but last year during this date there was some live music.
Yeah, so we just assumed. It's never good when you travel.
Yeah. So, no live music, but it was really nice to actually walk, even on the night time here, because it's totally different the place when all the lights go on and all the restaurants have their lights on and candles and everything.
And we were discussing about Joni, this little village or town has like a flashback memories, and Joni thinks it reminds us of Pula.
Pula, yeah, lots
in
of
Croatia.
We were in the same kind of places for the night with the van, and same kind of houses there.
With the window blinds, and the lights are similar, and the same kind of vibe.
Yeah, same kind of vibe with the
not amphitheater here.
Yeah, Pula has a really nice amphitheater.
Yeah, and I think this looks like a Trieste in Italy, little smaller. I get the similar vibe, so.
But yeah, Italian vibe.
Very Italian vibe. But no live music, so we will enjoy.
We'll wind here and go back to the van in a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really good walk on the town. So back in the van, I'm going to sleep. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.